Welcome to a home where comfort meets community living. Designed with the 55 and better lifestyle in mind, this Del Webb model has everything you need to enjoy your next chapter. From the inviting open floor plan to the cozy, thoughtfully designed spaces, let's step inside and see what makes this home truly special. All right, before we enter this mainstay, I want to show the front porch. It's got this cute little area just to put a nice little table and chairs on. I like this area. And
say hello to your new friends as they walk by.
Absolutely. Let's go check this one out. So as we come in, we have these big high ceilings again, the wide open.
Yeah, not as wide as some of the others that we've seen, but pretty nice. I like how it flows all the way through to the back of the house.
This wall right here is a little bit wider than that white wall, so it's kind of an interesting, design right there. I like it. And then they've got this huge office, which is fabulous. Or you can make it a card room or something else if you don't need an office.
Yeah, I'm wondering if, obviously for right now we need an office, but
yes, absolutely. But later on we're not, right?
Later on, I guess you can always redesign it, right? Repurpose it.
And then you've got your garage.
Oh.
You just turned off the light.
Oh, here's the garage.
Show the garage. So there's your garage.
Is it 2 cars? Is it a 3-car tandem? What is
it?
this?
It's 3-car
Ooh,
tandem.
Nice.
Not quite tandem, but
well,
and
golf
that's for
cart.
a golf cart. Absolutely.
Hey, that's all that matters. It's all that matters, Patrice.
And then we've got, we've got a couple doors. Okay, so that's where your air conditioning unit is. Very convenient right there. And then here
you've got a closet.
That closet.
Linen closet.
Which is great. It's a coat closet.
Oh. Whatever.
But let's go look in the main part of this
all right.
house.
So, 3-bed island.
Yes.
5-burner cooktop. This one, it's an option, obviously, to get soft close, but this does not have soft close.
Okay.
Which makes a huge difference. But one of the things that I like the two-tone. What do you think?
Yeah, this green is really in this year. So
you've got like the hunter green, and then you've got this grayish taupe white.
Creamy, yeah, it's really creamy. And I like the backsplash on it. That's real pretty. Ooh, spice rack is nice. They've got the 2 big drawers right there, which is nice for pots and pans. Yep. Yeah, plenty of storage.
Again, I would like drawers underneath there.
You would.
They've got a couple of those. These are smaller than some of the
pull-outs. Yeah. What about the snack closet?
Snack closet is huge.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, it's a definite walk-in. There we go. And then
that can hold all of your Costco stuff.
That's good. That's a nice size right there.
So, Keurig right here.
Okay.
What are your thoughts?
Sounds good to me.
Okay. All right.
Then you've got a little dining area.
I like it. Definitely the rectangle table is the way to go on this.
Well, yeah, definitely.
Right? I do like, obviously this is an option, and you could do it afterwards, but it definitely adds character.
It does. I like a little bit of character. What's down that way?
Full bath.
Full bath.
And a bathroom. Nice. In a bedroom.
Well, I've got to open this. You know me, I got to open all these. So there's that little closet that's just kind of
it's the Del Webb junk drawer.
Or whatever closet you could put shelves in there or anything you want, really. So that's nice. And then they've taken the tile all the way up to the ceiling again, which I love.
Gives it that modern touch.
It just adds so much to it. This is a nice wide open bathroom, actually. And then right next door,
got fancy lights.
I do like that they've upgraded all the lighting in these houses. It adds so much to it, and it just brings it more modern.
This is a very comfortable guest room.
It really is. You don't feel like you're in a 55 and over community.
No.
Which is nice.
No fireplace.
No.
I need a fireplace.
Well, I'm sure we could fix that problem somehow. But this is a beautiful room. It's perfectly sized and it's very comfortable.
Yeah.
I love that pretty ceiling up there. Very nice. And then it's got a decent sized patio.
Yeah, decent size enough. Again, I'd probably put the screens down there, TV up here, maybe a kitchen right there.
Yeah.
Or I would build the kitchen out a little bit further.
Well, let's see the primary.
Okay. Whoa. Oh, utility. Right off of the primary, which is nice.
It's off the primary.
Does not have a sink.
Nope.
And no room for a fridge.
No. Oh well. But let's look at this room. It's so bright in here. So pretty. Look at that. I'm gonna go ahead and move over here a little bit away from the window so we can get a good idea of this room. Look at this. It's very pretty.
Yeah, everything's just very functional. Again, I like the
no wasted
design.
Space, which
no
is
wasted
very
space.
nice.
Ooh, look at this shower. This is what I'm talking about.
Oh my goodness. I like it. You're not on full display in this shower like we are in some of the others.
There's no light. There's a light. There you go.
There's the light. And then, oh, look at this. There's all kinds of things going on in here. You've got a nice little niche. Oh, I like that they have this little shelf right here on the niche. Usually it's just the width of the...
You've got the rain head.
Yes, that's very nice. And then
So-
another window up there, so that brings some light in. That's a huge bench. Very nice.
No, I like the shower. The shower is...
You know, the other nice
Definitely.
thing about this shower is if you have a dog, easy to walk them in, bathe them, and get out.
Cooper can.
That. Yeah, Cooper can do it. Any dog, really. It's got 2 sinks.
So one closet.
1 closet.
Decent size. Is this enough counter space for you?
Perfect size closet. Hold on just a sec, I'll tell you. In just a minute, I want to show everybody the closet size. And then I can make it work.
No section for, to sit down and do makeup and stuff.
But that's fine.
What is this?
I'm
Is
gonna
this
be
open?
getting ready quick anyways for all our adventures.
I wish there was soft clothes. Anyway.
All right, Andy, so that ends the tour of the mainstay,
Yep.
and that is another great option.
It's another great option. Have them all throughout Texas. So whatever Del Webb community you're interested in, we can make this happen for you. Like I said, you know who to go to, Andy and Patrice, for all things Texas real estate. We have got your back. So make sure you hit that dream home form, hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and give us a like and share, all that good stuff, all that YouTube love. And until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.